Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly essential for anyone using Rode lavalier microphones, the Hiding Kit. This isn't just a collection of accessories. It's a complete system designed to elevate audio quality by tackling common challenges like wind noise, rustling, and microphone visibility. Right out of the gate, what makes this kit stand out is its comprehensive nature. It's specifically engineered for Rode lavalier microphones, including the Rode Lavalier, SmartLav Plus, Rode Link Lav, and even the Rode Lavalier Go models. This ensures perfect compatibility and performance, which is a huge plus for creators already invested in the Rode ecosystem. The core of this kit is the soft and pliable lav concealer, designed to cradle your Rode lav mic perfectly. But it doesn't stop there. To keep everything securely in place, the kit includes hypoallergenic lav concealer tape, ensuring a firm adhesion without irritating the skin. For those tricky outdoor shoots or situations where fabric rustle is a concern, you get invisible lav covers. These come in two variants: a fur outdoor option for superior wind noise reduction and an eco-friendly moleskin variant, both in black for seamless integration, effectively minimizing any unwanted noise. The kit also provides invisible lav tape for residue-free application and invisible skin tape for discreet mounting directly on skin. Looking at the package contents, it's clear this kit is built for extensive use. You receive one Rode lavalier lav concealer, 6 lav concealer tapes, 3 fur outdoor and 6 moleskin invisible lav covers, 9 rolls of invisible lav tape, and 5 rolls of invisible skin tape. That's a generous supply to keep you going through numerous shoots. Plus, it all comes neatly organized in a dedicated mic accessory case, which is incredibly convenient for storage and transport. The portability and durability of this case are worth highlighting. Whether you're a seasoned location sound recordist, a videographer constantly on the move, or a content creator juggling multiple projects, this case makes it easy to transport your essentials. It ensures your lav covers and tapes are secure and organized, so you're always ready to capture pristine audio, no matter where your work takes you. The convenience of having all necessary accessories for mounting, including various tapes, in one place truly streamlines the setup process. This Hiding Kit is an indispensable tool for achieving professional-grade, clean audio with your Rode lavalier microphones, making it a fantastic investment for anyone serious about sound quality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.